call the heart of the film, Shahid Kapoor. And the lady who's the toast of Hindi movies right now, Mrunal Thakur. Put your hands together for Mrunal. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause from Mrunal and Shahid Kapoor. अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा उनको जिन्होंने ये पूरी कहानी मुझे बताई. A stalwart, over 75 films that he has produced in the 4 languages down south, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam. And ये जो 100 crores के बारे में हम सुनते हैं, which has now become a norm, he's the first one to start it. 2008, I still remember, it was December again, जब गजनी आई थी. And वो पहली फिल्म थी जो 100 crores वाला आंकड़ा जो है वो पार कर चुकी थी. He was the gentleman who did it. And उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, हमें को हिंदी नहीं करनी है. I will go back. And this is the second Hindi film that he's producing. Please put your hands together for the gentleman, Alu Arvind. Arvind sir. And you'll see that it's a team effort. एक फिल्म बनाना आसान नहीं होता. Now, the gentleman who is the most important, because Telugu की जो कहानी है वो इनको पता थी, इसका essence पता था, and Arvind sir said that हिंदी में भी यही बनाएंगे. Can we please call on the director, the captain of the ship, Gautam Tinanuri? And now our producers. First up, the gentleman who had the vision that the moment the film released in Telugu, he gave it to Arvind sir and said that, sir, we need to make this film bigger. S. Nagavamsi. Big round of applause for our producers. Someone who's been associated with Arvind sir for so long, and Arvind sir said that if this film has to be made with him. Please put your hands together for Mr. Dil Raju. And last but not the least, अरविंद सर ने जब गजनी बनाई थी, उस टाइम से अब तक अरविंद सर ने खुद ये बोला है that if there is one man for me in Bombay, it's this man, his man Friday. Please put your hands together for Aman Gill. Right. Okay. So, good to see you all here back in the theaters. I'll start with Arvind sir. First question to Arvind sir, of course. एक एक करके उसके बाद सब आपके पास आएंगे. Sir, here you go. Straight questions. Yes, sir. Sir, first question. All the things that I said, were they all on point? Are they all correct? Arvind sir, did I miss something?
There are certain corrections because it is on record, because I made 60 plus films.
60 plus. I was told
You said
75.
75.
See? Okay. Our next question to Shahid. Shahid, we have waited from June of 2019. You did Kabir Singh. It was such a massive success. Were you itching for your theater, for your movies to come back to the theater? When you knew that Jersey was ready and complete, were you just waiting, Cub? When is that moment going to arrive?
Yeah, I don't think anybody. First of all, good evening. Is it evening now?
It
Yeah,
is,
It
it
is
is.
evening. All right. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. It's amazing to be back in a theater again. It's amazing to be interacting with you guys almost after 2 years. I've actually not really been in Mumbai. I have been staying with my family in Punjab through a lot of this, and we were shooting in different places in Punjab. So I haven't really been in Mumbai. I feel like I've forgotten what it is like to be an actor, because I've been, more with family and spending time taking care of the kids and things like that. But it's amazing to be back in a theater. It's amazing to do this again, where we all can come together and celebrate cinema in the place that it should be celebrated in, which is the big screen. I don't think we'll ever lose the love for that or the charm for that. It just has a different feeling. content is traveling in many different ways right now, and I'm so happy that I worked with the team that I worked with on Jersey. I feel like this was the most amazing, most collaborative, most understanding and together team that I've worked with in a long time, because it was very difficult. When COVID happened, it was pretty much 50% through this film. And my man here, Aman Gill, who was with me every day on set, he decided to stop shooting because it was not safe. Because there was a kid and there was my dad and there was a lot of people, and so we didn't want to risk it. There were no vaccines at that time. And then it took us a long time to get back to completing the rest of the film. So it's been a long journey for us, and we're finally here. And every time we spoke to each other, we said, we're not going to release this film unless the theaters are open. And we actually waited for 2 years to release the film. So I want to thank Allu sir, I want to thank Dil Raju sir for having the heart and being the producers that they are. And I must say that they are actually lovers of cinema in the true sense. They have the same feeling, and they wanted to share this story, this experience with everybody, the way we had conceived it. And so I'm so happy that this film's coming out on the big screen the way it was always supposed to, because I don't see any other way that I would have liked to share this story. So I feel very blessed today to be here. I think God has been very kind that we have a release date and we're releasing and we're in theaters. And I think one of the teams that was cheering the most for Suryavanshi was also us कि यार ये picture चल जाए,
लोग वापस आ जाएं।
रेल गाड़ी start हो जाए, फिर हम सब अपनी picture release कर सकते हैं. So it's great to see that films are back in theaters, and congratulations to Suryavanshi for having the guts to go out there and be the first film in line. It's not easy to do that, and it's not easy for any of us right now, because having shops shut for 2 years and not knowing what's going to happen is a very scary feeling. And this film is all about the victory of the human spirit. So I think it has great context for the times today. I think it's more relevant today than even when it was when we started shooting it. So yeah, so let's see what everybody thinks. Yeah.
All right, and you spoke about how you were waiting for your movies to release. The lady standing on your left had a few releases.
ये इतना काम करती है
Exactly,
लड़की.
मैं यही बोलने वाला था. मृणाल was
हम लोग
there on
ऐसा
our
सोचते
screen.
रहते थे कि काम नहीं हो रहा है, पिक्चरें बंद पड़ी हैं, सब लोग घर बैठे होंगे. मैं जब भी मृणाल को मैसेज करूं, I'm in Kashmir shooting. Now I'm in Bombay back. I'm shooting in Bombay. Oh yeah, I'm just sitting with Rakesh sir and shooting with her. So one of the most busy actresses in the fraternity right now, ladies and gentlemen, Mrunal Thakur.
अब क्या सवाल पूछूंगा मैं आपको, अब रिएक्ट करना है इस पे जो शाहिद ने बोला है. You have a film now coming.
Very deep down is connected with me on this film, And then Kabir Singh happened, but this story just stayed very close to my heart, and I wanted to play this character. And I think it's very humble of Gautam to say what he's saying, but I think he's a very, very fine filmmaker. And the way he has touched my emotional, core when I saw this film, I'm fortunate that I'm getting to tell this story and play the character that I've played under his direction, because he understands this story better than anybody else. And he understands the heart of the story, And I'm drawing only from what he has conceived. And I'm very fortunate to be a part of this film. Yeah.
That gentleman who's T-shirt, he's a national award winning filmmaker, because that film won a national award. Gautam, those beautiful things that Shahid has said, do you want to now say something to him? Because this is the space, this is the moment, this is the stage, bro.
Yes. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming for the Jersey trailer launch. Jersey movie is very special to me because I wrote this script some 6 years back, and I'm fortunate enough to direct this film twice. So this film is very close to me, very personal for me. And this opportunity, I would like to thank the producers, Arvind sir, Raju sir, Vamsi and Aman, for seeing through the tough times and waiting to release this film in theaters at the right time. And Shahid sir, if I had to pick one best moment of my career, I would pick that opportunity to work with you, sir. And I mean, this coming right from the heart. I'm actually working with you for the last 1.5 years. Not even a single day you were laid back, and you were always so sincere with your prep, with your work, your passion for the filmmaking. Everything inspires me. Thank you so much for being part of Jersey, sir. And thank you for playing Arjun and taking this film to a bigger number of audience. Thank you so much, sir.
Wow, wonderful. All right, please, बैठ जाइए. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Of course.
तुम फिर आ गए.
2 साल हो गए लेकिन भाई है यहाँ पे.
आवाज नहीं बदली अब तक. What's up, brother? How are you? कैसे हो? सब ठीक है? घर पे सब ठीक? Health is good? थोड़ा ऐसा पूछ लिया कर यार. All well? Good to see you.
Can we get a mic to him?
शायद हर
तू अभी भी डेंजरस क्वेश्चन पूछेगा या थोड़ा शरीफ हो जाएगा? मैंने पूरा ट्राई किया है कि देखो मैं.
आप
go for
जिस
it.
तरह के सवाल आप चाहेंगे आपको उस तरह के सवाल प्रेजेंट करूंगा मैं. सो अगर आप बोले कि
एक सेकंड.
इन 2 सालों में
शाहिद,
ऐसा क्या
कैसा
हुआ
सवाल
था जो
चाहिए?
इतना बदल गया? आई एम नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डील विद इट ब्रदर.
शायद what kind? Multiple choice. शायद कैसा सवाल चाहिए आपको?
हाँ?
कैसा सवाल चाहिए आपको?
बस तुम्हारे दिल में जो है यार पूछ लो.
सिर्फ
इसी
2
का तो
सवाल
डर.
है मेरे.
जवाब भी वैसे ही मिलेंगे.
सिर्फ 2 सवाल हैं शाहिद जी मेरे. पहला कि कौन सी हर क्रिकेटर का अपना एक फेवरेट नंबर होता है. तो कौन सी नंबर की जर्सी पहनना चाहते हैं आप या फेवरेट नंबर है होता है आपका?
मुझे ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक नंबर नहीं है. मुझे जर्सी फिल्म में अर्जुन का जो कैरेक्टर है उसकी जर्सी पहनना सबसे अच्छा लगा. और आम जिंदगी में मुझे ब्लू जर्सी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. हमारे देश की जर्सी है और वो 11 की 11 जर्सीज मेरे लिए उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं बिकॉज इवेंचुअली टीम जिताती है देश को. सो ऑल दोज जर्सीज आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट.
सुपर. एंड शाहिद जी बॉलर को छक्के मारना ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं या बीबी के हाथ से मार खाना?
देखा, मैं वेट कर रहा था. इतना सलीके वाला सवाल पूछा ना पहला वाला. I was like,
पहला
दूसरा
सवाल
आएगा.
इसने अभी ऐसे इम्प्रॉम्प्टू
Bouncer.
सोच लिया. जर्सी पिक्चर का नाम है, जर्सी पे नंबर होता है. चल तेरे को कौन सा जर्सी का अच्छा लगता है नंबर भाई बता दे, है ना. ट्राई टू सॉफ्टन इट अप. आपकी शादी हो गई बेटे?
हाँ जी हो गई.
तो ये आप एक्सपीरियंस से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं? आपको
नहीं, वो-
बहुत मार पड़ चुकी है अपनी बीवी
मैंने
से.
ट्रेलर में है ना इसलिए मैंने पूछा.
बेटा पिक्चर है. तू कबीर सिंह के टाइम पे भी यही कर रहा था.
सर,
जो
वही तो-
पिक्चर में होता है वो आम जिंदगी में मेरे साथ नहीं होता, इसलिए मैं एक्टर हूँ.
सर उसी में
मैं
ज्यादा
एक्टिंग करता हूँ.
उसी में ज्यादा व्यू आते हैं सर. अगर आप
सच बोल दिया आज भाई ने दिल से.
यार इसका जवाब देना बड़ा मुश्किल है. अगर मैंने ना बोला तो मीरा बोलेगी हाउ डेयर यू नॉट गिव मी इम्पोर्टेंस. और अगर मैंने हाँ बोला तो मीरा बोलेगी हाउ डेयर यू टेल एवरीबडी व्हाट हैपेंस इन द हाउस. तो आई वुड रादर नॉट आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन.
Okay, next question.
Shahid. Shahid, Bhartiya.
Hi Bharti, how are you?
I'm good.
Long time. How have you
Yeah,
been?
I'm good.
Awesome.
How's working with your dad? I want to know about that. And of course, my friend Aman.
Have you ever worked with your? Acha, you put Aman and my dad together. These are very two different people with two very different experiences I've had. So, have you ever worked with your dad? I know, but I'm asking you. थोड़ा फायदा होता है अगर आपको कुछ experience नहीं. It's very scary to work with your dad, especially when he is an actor. Oh, I have to tell you a nice fun story, okay? So this scene you saw where he's having tea and me and him are talking to each other and he says, "Oh, ground shoot gaya," and all right. So that was his first day of shooting, and I had shot about 15 days with Gautam, and I felt he's very happy with me as a director, and I'm bringing something fresh to this role and whatever. And so we started the scene, and for some reason, Gautam took his shot first, because we're against each other. So either the camera's behind me or behind him. So he took his shot first, right? And my dad did the take, and suddenly I saw Gautam's expression has changed. Okay. So I looked at him, I said, "What happened, man?" Like, and he very serious. He went up to dad and he said, "Outstanding, sir. We're moving on." Then he walked into a corner alone. So I walked behind him. I was like, "What's going on here?" I got a little nervous. So I said, "Kya hua? Gautam sir, kya hua?" So he says, "Sir, I'm very concerned." I said, "What happened?" "You'll be able to match his performance in your shot because he's outstanding. People will not look at you. You better be very good in the shot." So that's how my dad is. And so I don't think I need to explain my experience any further. It's pretty nerve-wracking working with him. But it's also a pleasure working with him, because if you're an actor at heart, sorry? I'm not intimidated by him. Intimidation is the wrong word. When you have so much respect and regard for somebody, you really want to be able to do your best. And like I was saying, if you're an actor at heart, it's amazing standing in the frame with a great actor and seeing them do something, regardless of whether he's my father or not, right? This is about two people standing in the frame as actors. That's what that's about. And it's just amazing seeing what he's doing with his craft and trying to react to it honestly and learning from it, you know. So I would want to work with people like him when I worked with Irfan sir, when I worked with Tabu ma'am or KK sir, or any of these people. You know, these are phenomenal actors. Being in the frame with them is like learning how to act. And eventually that's what we're here to do. I mean, I've been doing this for almost 20 years now, but there's so much to learn, you know, and so it's great to learn. It's very scary when you feel like you are the best thing in whatever that you're doing. It's very scary because what are you going to gain out of it? You're going to gain nothing. So I think it's a privilege for me to get to share, you know, screen space with actors of his caliber, and we're very fortunate to have him for the film. Aman was so scared to offer him the role, you know. So I know. And with regard to Aman, me and Aman have known each other for what, 18 years now. We've known each other for like 14, 15 years. The first time I saw Aman was when there was a marketing meeting for Jab We Met. And this dude walked in, he had a French beard at that time and used to take himself very seriously. He's chilled out a lot more now. You know, life does that to you. As you get older, you don't take yourself seriously anymore. So it's, I think, happened to me and him. And so we've known each other for a very long period of time. And I am very happy for Aman because I have waited for something big to happen in my life. And this is his first film, Hindi film, as a producer. It is. Mic pe bolna. Say it's my first film as a Hindi film producer. You know, this is not Aman at all. You have to see him when the cameras are not on. He's the loudest guy in the room. Okay, he's just shy right now. So I want to say, like, I'm the happiest for Aman because, you know, I've waited for him to get a big opportunity and to go out there and express himself as a creative person. And so I think, like, it's amazing that we got to do this together and we started our journey together. And I wish him all the best for his entire career. He's one of the best producers that I've ever worked with, if not the best producer that I've worked with. I've had a great time working with
I
him.
agree.
Thank you, sir.
अरे अभी तो थिएटर खुले हैं यार, उसका प्रेशर काफ़ी नहीं है, अभी 200 करोड़ 300 करोड़ यार, हम इंसान हैं, इतना ही प्रेशर डालो हमारे ऊपर. पता चलेगा अभी सेकंड टाइम एंट्री मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, पता चल जाएगा, नहीं तो हम वापस चले जाएंगे. वी आर यूज्ड टू इट, हियर देयर एवरीवेयर, काम मिलता रहे बस.
Hi, Shahid.
Next question coming from
hi.
which? Can you put your hand
here.
up, sir?
Right here, my hand is up.
Okay, go ahead.
Left side. Shahid, hi. Russell here from Bollywood Live, straight diagonally.
Hey Russell, what's up?
How are you doing? How's your health? Everything at home fine?
Everything is fine, Russell.
Yeah. Okay. Shahid, first of all, I would like to know who's your all-time favorite cricketer and why?
Well, Sachin Tendulkar.
You don't have to
He's-
give a why for that.
I don't think anybody needs to give a why. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've grown up watching him play, and he's just been like the biggest persona, in fact, for me in all of the country. He was just exceptional, exceptional.
Okay. Also, now that you're doing Jersey straight after Kabir Singh, would you say that doing a remake of a very successful South movie with the same director, same kind of creative team on board is a safer bet at the box office?
See, it definitely helps when you do a remake. It's very helpful to know what you're doing. I've been a part of a few movies which I thought were going to be a certain way, and then when I saw them, I was like, मैं यही साइन किया था, ये स्क्रिप्ट बोला, वापस खोल के यही था क्या पिक्चर. So I've had some very scary experiences. So I must confess that being a part of a remake is definitely helpful as an actor because you understand what the story is and you understand how the filmmaker wants to express himself while, you know, putting that story together and bringing his vision to it. But actually, when I did Kabir Singh and now when I've done this film, I've realized you'll never believe me. You'll think like, bas bol raha hai. It's very difficult to do a remake and sometimes even tougher than playing an original character because you have to make it fresh. It cannot look like a copy paste. It cannot look like you're just picking up something and recreating it. You have to rediscover it all over again. I remember when me and Sandeep also worked together on Kabir Singh, we had so many conversations because, you know, sometimes I had to say, can Arjun Reddy leave the room so Kabir Singh can enter this room? Because it's just so difficult. How do you understand? It's so difficult for a filmmaker who's created a character which is so close to their heart to give it to another actor, you know. That insecurity of what if this actor doesn't understand what I need, or what if this actor makes it something it's not because he wants to do it his way. You know, so it's very difficult to find that balance, and it's very challenging. And I really feel this version of Jersey is it's very different from the original. I mean, when you see the film, you'll understand it's the same story, but when the character changes, when the milieu changes, we've taken this film to Chandigarh. So he's a Punjabi guy. We've brought a lot of small changes. She's playing a character who's from down south. She's playing a Telugu girl in the film. So that relationship is very different. The way this character behaves, the way his angst comes through, the way he hides his pain is very different from the original, you know. And I think that's something I realized after I did a couple of remakes, that, you know, once the actor changes and once the cultural milieu changes, the language changes, if it's the same, you're probably doing something wrong, because it's not going to land for that audience and for that culture. You have to bring authenticity to that story for the backdrop that you're placing it against and for the person that you're creating. So I think this Arjun, and it's strange that I did a remake of Arjun Reddy, but I was Kabir Singh, and now I'm doing a film where I'm playing the character of Arjun. It's funny like that.
Full circle.
but yeah, I think this Arjun is very different from the other Arjun. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I think I'm very thankful that Gautam was very, he was very happy with me trying to bring something fresh to it. And I'm always afraid, right? Because I always would ask him, I hope it's not going somewhere wrong. And he allowed me to express myself a certain way. And actually, it was really difficult for him. So it was easy for me, right? It's the first time I'm doing it. And maybe this question is more relevant to Gautam as how it is to make the same film in a different language with a different actor and then do it all over again. You know?
Yeah, right.
But,
One sec.
one.
Gautam, if you can answer the question that.
When I met Shahid Kapoor for the first time about doing...
So you've not called me Shahid Kapoor for so long, that felt very strange.
I'm not addressing
Please don't
you,
call
sir.
me Shahid Kapoor, so I feel very strange.
Yeah, when I met Shahid sir for the first time, when we were discussing about doing this film, doing the same film again, our idea is not to remake, as he said. We want to rediscover the main character and tell the story to a wider number of audience in a different way. My approach to directing is not to, my approach to direction is not to tell the actors how to act, what to do and stuff like that. I talk to them more. And I want the actor to find the character in the space of the film. So that's what helped this film to turn out to be much more original in its own way. I did a similar approach when I was working with Nani sir. So I had to talk to him as much as possible about the character, the backstory, how it is. And I want the actor to find his character in that space of the film. So I worked on both the films. For me, they seem like two different films, two different versions, and I'm fortunate I can do that.
Arvind sir, straight ahead, Russell here again. Arvind sir, hi. There was a time, and a lot of collaborations used to happen. We saw movies like Giraftar, where Amitabh Bachchan, Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan used to come together. Even Chiranjeevi has done movies with Juhi Chawla. Considering you are such a big producer, and now boundaries have erased, any plans of doing a big project where, say, you have a big star like Shahid, and along with Allu Arjun together in a movie? What about plans like that?
Not exactly the same, but I have big plans. But this occasion has to be limited to this because I want Jersey to, if I announce that, that will become a news. So let me hold it for some more time.
Hi, Shahid. Hi, Shahid.
Faizan Sir from Please Helpline.
One sec. Can we have a question from this side, please? Can somebody take this mic, bro?
Shahid. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Shahid, first of all, I want to know, okay, South has been a lucky charm for you because Kabir Singh, definitely, you did a movie. Being in a Bollywood, find the South copy remake made you a boost a lot in Kabir Singh. And
तूने क्या एक सेकंड में तारीफ करके खत्म कर दिया ना? साउथ ब्लॉकबस्टर कॉपी रीमेक. एक लाइन में मैं ऊपर गया और मैं ऐसे नीचे एकदम जमीन के ऊपर.
पहले भी आपकी अलग चार्मिंग थी, अलग अंदाज था, पर कबीर सिंह में आपका पूरा अंदाज बदल दिया.
जी.
सबका माइंडसेट बदल दिया कि नहीं, Shahid can do different kind of role and he's a promising actor right now. So आपको लगता है कि साउथ एंड व्हाई वुड साउथ रीमेक मतलब अगेन अ
यार ये
साउथ
तो बार बार साउथ बोल रहा है ना, ये बड़ा ऑफेंसिव है. साउथ में ना बड़े सारे स्टेट्स होते हैं. तो बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट विच आई दिस इज माय सेकंड तेलुगु
one, yeah.
रीमेक, राइट?
Telugu
दिस इज अ
remake.
तेलुगु रीमेक,
Yeah.
या?
So, do
And your next two films are not that.
Yeah, sir, they are north.
Yeah.
Next two film
So
north.
you want to tell
north.
about that?
Sorry?
Those movies, next two movies.
I'll come again. You don't want to meet me again.
Okay, I would like to meet you. Again, one more question, Muna. You have been like Tufan आपने किया. You have been a very sports lover. You are a basketball player, definitely, and you are now again cricket. Yeah. So how much the sports has been your part of life? And recently you met David Beckham. We would like to know that about that. So whole your journey, how sports has been a part of your life, and how you're much involved into it. And how this helps you in terms of movie also in your whole career part.
Not many of them know, but I used to play cricket with my brother, and I used to go watch match, the World Cups, and we used to fly when T20 started. So I remember going to Kolkata because we were supporting the team, and then it was a very overwhelming experience to even sit in the stadium and watching your team play. And I never, everything has a circle, right? Everything goes around, comes around. I never knew that, when I first watched Jersey, I knew it that I'm going to play Vidya. But how? It's very difficult. I was really scared. But for the love of cricket, आप लोग agree करोगी कि cricket तो हमारे रग रग में बसता है, correct? सो शायद उसी के लिए. और रही बात तूफान की, तो वो भी एक अलग जर्नी है, ये भी बहुत अलग जर्नी है. आपने देखा ही होगा ट्रेलर में. और विद्या ज़्यादा सपोर्ट नहीं करती है अर्जुन को, लेकिन मृणाल क्रिकेट को और शाहिद को
कहानी मत बता.
बहुत सपोर्ट करती है. सो या.
Hi Shahid, Himesh this side from Pink Villa. Shahid towards your left.
Sorry guys, there's a question that I have already.
शायद फैजान दिस साइड फ्रॉम न्यूज़ एल्बर्ट.
भाई,
मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
इनको पहले मैं बोल चुका हूँ. I'll come to you after this. She has a question.
Okay.
You have been, how much cricket have you played during your younger days, and how much did you have to brush for the film, on your cricket?
I got brushed, ma'am. I was brushed on the floor. I used to be lying broken everywhere. To answer your question, I have played a lot of cricket when I was in school. I used to play for my school team, which was pretty useless. We never made it anywhere, but I was still on the team.
No, you made a movie.
Yeah, exactly. So it came handy finally, right? But at that time, like, any team could beat us. But I still made the team. So I felt कि मेरे को cricket खेलना आता है, and I was like, ये वाली तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. मैं cricket खेला है, and I forgot that it has been 25 years since I played cricket in school and whatever. So when we started playing cricket, I realized that, there's a lot of work to do, and playing with a season ball, and I'm 40 now, so बहुत दर्द होती है यार. Everything starts hurting, and you're not a 21-year-old kid who can just pick up a bat and go play cricket. It's a completely different skill, and cricket is the most popular sport in this country, and most of our sporting icons are coming from cricket. So we take our cricket very seriously. I take my cricket very seriously. So, I was very critical of myself, and I was never happy. I'm still not happy with what I've done and the cricket I've played. But so I practiced for about 4 months. I played cricket for 4 months. And then I played cricket again for 2.5 months when we restarted the film. And the one thing that I will say very proudly is that there's no shot in this film, which has been played without a season ball. We have, first of all, had no CG shots in this film. Everything is played with a real ball. Me and Gautam, much to the frustration of everybody else on the set, okay, because we were shooting in Mohali, okay, and the boundaries are big in Mohali. Ask any cricketer whether Mohali is a big stadium, they'd say, बहुत बड़ा boundary है, ठीक है? And we would not okay a shot if a 4 doesn't cross the boundary and if a 6 doesn't cross the rope. We would not okay that shot. So we worked very, very hard to bring authenticity to the sport part of this film. I would not say this is, how do I explain it? I mean, it's a sports drama, but I mean, it's actually the journey of these characters with the backdrop of cricket. I think that's how I would like to put it, because at the forefront of it is the journey of these characters, and actually the journey of the human spirit and the triumph of the human spirit. And what this film talks about is that you should just chase your dreams. I've been doing that since I was 20 years old. I never thought I'll be an actor. I never thought I'll be sitting here in this position, wearing these nice clothes, with people who have so much money funding my films, and girls who are 10 years younger than me, smiling away, wanting to work with me. So I think I've done really well for myself, and I never thought I'll be here. So it's amazing, and you should always chase your dreams, and it's never too late. Age is never a barrier, and this film is about that. And so for me, this is a subject that's very close to my heart. If I can say so, it's my favorite film yet.
Hi Shahid, Himesh this side from Pinkvilla. I have
यार वो एक सेकंड लैंड तो करने दे, मैंने इतनी बड़ी बात बोल दी. It's my favorite film yet. हाँ वो ठीक है, अब सुन मेरा अगला सवाल यार तू, है ना? Don't get emotional and all, don't make big statements यार. मैं बहुत देर से सुरेंद्र, this is all your fault.
I don't
तू
even
लोगों
know.
को रुकाएगा ना.
वो माइक उनके पास कैसे पहुंच रहा है मेरे
बट
को
तू
वही
इस साइड क्यों खड़ा है? तू थोड़ी देर उस साइड भी जाना. इस साइड खड़े होके तू उस साइड वाले
पहले सांस ले.
बैंड बजा रहे हैं.
पहले सांस ले.
देखा चला गया.
Get a mic and say that, bro. What's the point of it?
और यार माइक ना एक बार मेरे को बता दो किसको दे रहे हो. हाँ
So I have
खड़े हो जाओ.
I have two questions. Shahid.
अब वो मेरी बैंड बजाएगा, तू उसकी बैंड बजाएगा, वो तेरे से अपसेट होगा, उसका फ्रस्ट्रेशन.
मैं पहले ही सवाल सुन लूं उससे. Okay.
2.5 स्टार देगा मेरे ट्रेलर को वो. To be nice to them.
Hey bro, what's your question?
I have two questions, one for Shahid and one for Aman.
Please ask Aman first.
Okay.
Aman is dying to talk. He's a Punjabi. कब से वेट कर रहा है? कल रात से उसने मुझे मैसेज कर दिया, तू स्टेज पे देख, मैंने सब बोल देना है, स्टेज पे आके चुप. I am also playing a character like this only.
So Aman, firstly, how would you how would you define your journey? Like you said, you were a marketing head at the time of Jab We Met, and now you are producing a film for Shahid. How do you view that?
He was not a marketing head at the time of Jab We Met. He was in the marketing team. तभी ये start किया था. Bottom line से start किया. He's made it all the way here today. So he started from the bottom.
The journey's been great. Like Shahid said, I've known him for over 14, 15 years. Allu sir and we did Gajni, we did Jab We Met together. So everybody knows, everybody familiar.
मतलब तूने एक भी flop नहीं दिया. You're the only guy on this platform who's never given a flop. Suddenly इसने बोला, Jab We Met, and then Gajni, and now we're doing Jersey. He's the most successful guy on this stage. You just didn't know about him yet.
And we did Urta Punjab together.
वो भी successful हो गई.
साथ में किया. So worked various companies and now branched out individually. I'm thankful to Allu sir, who gave me a call after watching Jersey and said, I still remember the day, it was a Tuesday, I was in the gym in the morning and he said, Aman, can you come to Hyderabad? I said, sir, but what happened? He said, एक picture आई है called Jersey and I want you to see it. I said, sir, ये बॉम्बे में लगी है, मैं यहाँ जाके देख लेता हूँ. He said, okay, but you need to see it now. I went to the cinema and
What are you saying? ये पिक्चर एक बार बॉम्बे में रिलीज हो चुकी है? मुझे आज तक ये बात किसी ने बताई नहीं.
The Telugu version.
Kidding.
And then I went and saw it and I called sir and the journey started. I'm thankful for sir, but it's a journey. Everybody, like you're working, everybody keeps growing. So.
And Shahid, my second question is to you. From Padmavat, Kabir Singh, now Jersey. The next is with Ali Abbas.
बीच में बत्ती गुल भी आई थी. You can say it. I don't mind. Always be honest to yourself, bro.
So my question to you is, you have gone very commercial with your choices. If you look at it, is that a conscious move?
यार Kabir Singh was an adult film. Okay, first of all, Kabir Singh, when it Arjun Reddy, sorry, when it released in Andhra, the business was not very massive or something. Their films do 100 crore plus business. The business was very good for a newcomer film, right? I never choose films according to their commercial potential fundamentally. Of course, nobody wants to do a film that flops, but you want to tell a story really well. Now, if that story is more accessible, then it's obviously better because you can take that story wider. But I've also done stories that are less accessible in terms of, Urta is a film about drugs in Punjab, and Haider was a film which was about the problem of the common Kashmiri man, so these are not things that everybody is going to be interested in. But you should always tell the stories that you really, really want to tell. I think Kabir went very wide in the Hindi, in the Hindi film fraternity. So we didn't really know how big it will connect. But I very strongly felt that I want to tell this story. I want to play this crazy character. I'm very excited to play this crazy character, And so I did it. Beyond that, how do you know? I don't know. You know, I'm just doing things that really excite me. And of course, I'm very conscious and aware of the fact that I must try and do films which are more accessible. That's definitely something that I have learned to do more now, and very much after Kabir Singh. Because there is a wide audience that has seen that film, and I want to give them a great story again, right? But I'm not chasing trying to do the same kind of character again, trying to tell the same story again. That doesn't excite me. This old wine, new bottle, ये सब बोलते हैं लोग, मेरे को ये बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता है. You know, मैं bottle बनाने नहीं आया, मेरे को wine में interest है. It should be something new as a character. It should be something new as a story. The reason I chose this film is because it is an extremely strong story with an extremely original, fresh character. And that to me is the right thing to do when you've played something as aggressive as Kabir Singh and as a film that is as loved as Kabir Singh. You cannot chase it. You must find something that is equally potent and put all your energy in that. I truly believe this film is very, very potent. And so I chose to do it.
Okay, we have time for two more questions.
Hi, Shahid.
Wait.
Hi, Shahid, towards your right.
Ek sec.
Hi, Shahid. Can I ask?
Where's the question coming from? Can you just put your hand up?
Hi, Shahid.
One sec. There's a question coming from here, Shahid, on the left.
Hi, Shahid.
Should I go?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, Shahid. Hi, good evening, everybody. Hi, this is Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood.
Mayur, where are you? I'm sorry, I
can you
can't.
On your
Hi.
left, Shahid.
Hi,
Yeah.
Mayur. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks.
wonderful trailer. And, you know, Gautam, I haven't seen the original, but I read about the film. The one word which struck with me about the film, you know, it's that it's about a late bloomer. So my question is for Gautam, Runal, and Shahid. You know, in the ever populated world where the emphasis is always on hiring youth, you know how difficult it is for a person in his mid 30s or 40s who's not been successful in the early part of his career, for them to be this late bloomer. So can each one of you, starting from Gautam, Runal, and then Shahid, could you give your perspective on this? Thank you.
Sure. Thanks for that question. The true idea behind the story when I wrote the story 6 years back was we always draw inspiration from success of people. I mean, whether it's a successful person or a successful event, we always draw inspiration from them. And for me, the true inspiration should come from their effort, that spirit to be successful rather than the success. So that's how the idea of the story started. And these people who really try hard to be successful or really try to do something in their lives are all around us. I mean, it could be a father, it could be the person who drives you to work, it could be a sister, it could be a friend. So my basic idea is to tell the story of all these people who are around us, and their success is not being celebrated. So this story is that celebration of human spirit to be successful rather than clapping for the successful people. So that's the basic idea behind the story.
See, for me, my aim is not success. My aim is the journey. And this is what the film is about, the journey. Success, to aa hi jayega. Like, even when I started, I was not running behind success. I started because I wanted to experience. I wanted to witness what it feels like to be an actor, to share screen with, such wonderful actors like Pankaj sir and Shahid, and to be directed by Gautam sir, and have these wonderful producers having immense faith in me. And for me, this film, this story is deserved to be told, and each and every one sitting in this room will be able to relate. Whenever you watch this movie, you will relate that there are circumstances जहाँ पे उठाने पड़ते हैं हमें कदम. We can't really do anything. It's just, we are just reacting to the situation. So, yeah, so to sum it up, I would just say it's a journey. Success आएगा नहीं आएगा वो ऊपर वाले के ऊपर छोड़ दो.
मैंने ना 20 साल जर्नी किया, अभी मेरे को सक्सेस चाहिए. इसने अभी 2-3 साल पहले स्टार्ट किया है. What's your question? No, tell me, no? About late bloomers? So I agree that is a part of this film, and that is to some degree, an angle that plays into this film. But we've seen films about late bloomers earlier also, and there have been a couple. I think Tufan was somewhere also similar. Um, so this film is not just about a late bloomer. It might give you that impression because we are not revealing the story right now. We're just giving you a younger version and an older version, and you're just seeing moments of their, maybe current state of reality, as opposed to, one looks more glamorous and one looks more like down. But you have to travel the journey of this film to understand what it's actually about, and you actually, hopefully, if you wait for the climax and if you sit till the climax, then you will understand what this film is about. It's, to me, it's much larger than all these things. What the film speaks about is I think, in spirit, what Gautam sir spoke about, which is it talks about the human spirit. See, success is what? What is success? I mean, if you win a medal, is that success? If you come first in school, is that success? But what about everybody else who worked equally hard? Why is that effort not celebrated? And I think that's something that doesn't happen in life, but in cinema that can happen. You can celebrate the emotion and the effort and the work that each one of us put in all those moments where we didn't get celebrated. Maybe it didn't go that well. Maybe, maybe we couldn't hold on to something and say, "Dekh, maine ye kamaya." But we are experiencing life. हम तो जिंदगी कमा रहे हैं ना. So ये फिल्म उस चीज के बारे में है कि आपने जिंदगी में क्या कमाया और आप जिंदगी कैसे जीना चाहते हो और आपकी वजह क्या होनी चाहिए. So it's a very emotional film, and it's a very inspiring film. Some films make you cry because you feel sad. This film made me cry in a very, I don't know, I felt uplifted. I was crying in an overwhelmed manner, and that is why I wanted to bring this film to the audience, because I think everybody needs a little bit of faith. Everybody needs a little bit of positivity. Everybody needs to believe in themselves. And you must believe in yourself. Let the world say what they want to say. You must believe in yourself, because only you live your life, And this film is about that, So late bloomer and all, yes, but I think it's a little above that, That's just a setup for the character. But what we're trying to say in the film, I think, is very universal.
Hi, Shahid.
If I can add to that, we often forget that why we started. So every time you have to remind yourself, this is exactly why I started. So just remember why you began.
Hi, Shahid.
One sec.
Towards your right.
One sec. Yeah. Who? I'm deciding. One sec. There's a question coming in for you.
Hi, Shahid. Yeah. सामने आपके Sohail here. आपके सामने है.
I'm getting over a statement.
अच्छा,
Kabir Singh is in the room. I'm deciding.
Yeah. The trailer is fantastic. Congratulations to आप सभी लोगों को. बात करते हैं जर्सी की, और फिल्म में बताया कि बच्चा जर्सी के लिए ना you want to buy a jersey for your son. कभी ऐसा कोई मौका as a young boy or as a teen जहाँ आपको कुछ क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड बैट बॉल या आपका एक क्रिकेट किट या जर्सी you were very happy, और उस वक्त ऐसा होता था कि आपके पास बैट और बॉल या किट हो तो फर्स्ट बैटिंग मेरी, डबल बैटिंग में.
हाँ, ये हमेशा होता था. जिसका भी बैट है उसी को बैटिंग मिलती थी, फर्स्ट बैटिंग उसी को मिलती थी. हाँ, दैट्स ट्रू, हमेशा से.
तो आपका अगर मैंने कल भी पूछा था अपनी क्रिकेट किट कभी बाई किया हो, या अगर उस तरह से कोई मेमोरीज हो.
पैसे नहीं थे, क्रिकेट किट के पैसे नहीं थे, बैट तक ले लेता था मैं, और बॉल हम लोग सब कंट्रीब्यूट करके लेते थे कि everybody used to pull in, and then because ball तो घूम जाती है ना, कभी फट जाती है, कभी घूम जाती है. So yeah, bat I had a bat, yes, but full kit and all was a little, उतना बजट नहीं था.
अच्छा, और वो यजदी चलाना कैसा रहा एक्चुअली, वो जो बाइक आप चला रहे हो.
हाँ, मेरे साथ पिछली 2 फिल्मों में ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं इतनी पुरानी बाइक चला रहा हूँ, and I love riding, I love riding bikes, so I'm like, all right, put me on a bike and I'm going to see you guys when the shot is ready, let me know, and I get. So yeah, these bikes look very nice, but they're in really bad condition because they're very old. But I remember that my mamu used to own a Yazdi. In fact, that was one of the discussions that we had, and it was a memory that I shared with Gautam sir, and I was like, that should we use a bike like that, because इसके गियर मैं मंगा देता हूँ आपके लिए, इधर से आप उसी पे निकलो. चलाते हो आप बाइक? हाँ हाँ क्या था इसका 1 डाउन 3 अप ऐसे 1 अप 3 डाउन ऐसे कुछ होता है बस कभी आपका किकबैक मिला है आपको बाइक पे कभी किया है सॉलिड अभी तो ऐसा स्विच पे हो गया सब
All right, here's the order. 1 and then 2 and then this gentleman in the third. So you can start with your question.
Hi, Shahid. Here, towards your right. Upar. Yeah.
Right at the top, behind the lights, Shahid.
Hi, Shahid.
Yes.
हाल ही में स्पोर्ट्स ड्रामा
अरे कैसे आप बहुत टाइम बाद
या आप कैसे
मैं ठीक हूँ सर
शाहिद
सॉरी आई एम गेटिंग एक्साइटेड आई हैव नॉट सीन यू गाइस फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग अपॉलॉजीज That's your cue to say likewise, but it's okay. We'll move on quickly. All right.
शाहिद अभी कुछ सालों में बॉलीवुड में हिंदी सिनेमा की बात करें तो बहुत सारी स्पोर्ट्स फिल्में बन रही हैं क्रिकेट पे भी काफ़ी बनी हैं आप इसमें क्रिकेट खेलते नज़र आ रहे हैं अगर मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूं कि पर्दे पर और कौन से स्पोर्ट्स ड्रामा में आप इन्वॉल्व होना चाहेंगे कोई ऐसा रियल लाइफ किरदार या स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन जिसे आप पर्दे पर पेश करना चाहेंगे कुछ इसके बारे में बता सकते हैं
यार आई एक्चुअली रियलाइज कि जब भी आप कोई भी फिल्म करो जिसमें एक स्पोर्ट हो या कोई भी एक स्किल हो जो आप विच यू आर नॉट स्किल्ड इनफ इन उसको करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है तो आई वुड बी वेरी स्केप्टिकल अबाउट अप्रोचिंग a subject which requires that amount of skill unless I can dedicate that amount of time to it. When I did this film, I realized that even though it's something I've played always and I was a cricketer, to try and do it at the level at which it needs to be done for the film to look authentic and for it to look right for this character.
शायद हिंदी में
थोड़ा पहले बता देते भाई हाँ मेरा फ्लो टूट गया आई एग्री आप सही कह रहे हैं नहीं मुझे लगता है बड़ा मुश्किल होता है जब आप एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट चूज करते हो जिसके अंदर कोई एक स्पोर्ट होती है या कोई भी एक स्पेशलाइजेशन होता है जो आपको सीखना पड़ता है अगर आप उसको ऑथेंटिकली नहीं कर पाते तो कहानी आप कितनी भी अच्छी कहो इमोशंस आप कितने भी अच्छे से पोर्ट्रे करो उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी ख़राब हो जाती है तो मैं बहुत सोच समझ के करूँगा अगर मैं फिर से कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स के ऊपर फिल्म करूँगा तो मुझे उसके लिए काफ़ी वक्त निकालना पड़ेगा और वो देना चाहिए क्योंकि क्रिकेट मैं काफ़ी फेमिलियर हूँ क्रिकेट से एज कम्पेयर टू अदर स्पोर्ट्स फिर भी मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग था सो आई वुड रियली थिंक मैनी टाइम्स बिफोर टेकिंग इट अप
शायद एक छोटा सा सवाल और है शायद आपने बताया कि 4 महीने आपने प्रेप किया था 4 महीने ट्रेनिंग ली थी कितना मुश्किल था फिर से बैट बॉल उठाना और इसी से जुड़ा एक छोटा सा और सवाल है कि इसका आंसर दीजिए मैं फिर पूछता हूँ
आप जवाब दो उनको है ना कितने सवाल पूछ रहा है शी सिटिंग आउट देयर एंड सिंग सो क्रिकेट खेलना बड़ा मुश्किल है उसकी टेक्निकलिटी होती है और जब आप प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर लगना चाहते हैं तो आपको वी हैव अ ट्रेनर हु वी हैड हायर्ड फिल्म के लिए उनका नाम है राजीव और उसके साथ एक पूरी टीम थी उनके असिस्टेंट थे हर्षुल और फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट थे वो सब थे सो इट बिकम्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट अप्रोच आपको उसको बहुत अलग तरीके से अप्रोच करना पड़ता है आप कैजुअली अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते बहुत टेक्निकली करना पड़ता है
एक इंजरी भी आपको हुई थी उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे
So we have go ahead
तुम ही लोग डिसाइड कर लो यार
No, so I believe Allu Arvind sir has to leave at 6:15. So we'll take. Wait, there's a senior journalist who's waiting for a question to be asked, sir. Please go ahead with your question.
Shahid, hi, Ramchandran here. Hi.
Yeah,
Shahid. So you obviously honed your cricket skills during the film. How much of a craft have you honed after a film like this? You seems to be a very, very intense performance from what the trailer looks like. I've seen the Telugu version as well. How much have you honed your craft after this film?
See, the best way to हिंदी में बोलूँ इंग्लिश में आप क्या प्रेफर करेंगे फ्रेंच मुझे आती नहीं है इंग्लिश इज ओके फॉर यू
जिस भाषा में आप बोलना चाहते हैं
सो देखिए अगर आप अपनी स्किल्स को होन करना चाहते हो तो मैं तो पंजाब में 2 साल रियासी तो एनीवेज सो आपको अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करना चाहिए आप अपनी स्किल्स होन नहीं कर सकते आपको जाके काम करना है आप खुद ही गाड़ी चला रहे हो नेविगेट भी खुद कर रहे हो ऐसा नहीं होता है जब आप कार रेसिंग देखते हो एक नेविगेशन वाला होता है और एक गाड़ी चला रहा होता है. तो यू नीड समबडी हु विल गाइड यू, यू नीड समबडी जो आपको बाहर का पर्सपेक्टिव दे, जो आपको कुछ नया बताए, आपके अंदर, आपके सिस्टम के अंदर कुछ नया फ्यूल डाले, जिसकी वजह से आप उसको कुछ अलग तरीके से अप्रोच करो. कहानी के अंदर पोटेंशियल होना चाहिए सबसे पहले. ना कोई डायरेक्टर कुछ कर सकता है, ना कोई एक्टर कुछ कर सकता है. अगर कहानी के अंदर दम नहीं है तो आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. वो गाड़ी क्रैश होने वाली है, आप सिर्फ डैमेज कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. कहानी के अंदर पोटेंशियल होना चाहिए, कैरेक्टर के अंदर पोटेंशियल होना चाहिए, और जिनके साथ आप काम कर रहे हो, जो आपके को एक्टर्स हैं, जो आपके डायरेक्टर हैं, दे शुड ऐड टू योर जर्नी. सो कोशिश यही है कि मैं उस तरह की फिल्में चुनूं.
Okay, wait. Okay, go ahead. पूछिए.
Gajani 2. Actually, it doesn't come out like that. There are many Hindi films being made in Telugu and Tamil also. But it's not publicized well here, it's publicized there. And yeah, the recent Pink is the one which is a blockbuster there, produced by Mr. Dil Raju. So there are many films like that, but it doesn't come into the press here. That's the reason, because of the localization. Thank you.
Right, there's a lady. Yes, ma'am. Last.
I had quite a few flops in the first 15 years of my career, So you have to develop a hard skin, and no. So Arjun is. It's interesting to hear that you think that Arjun is a motivated character, because that's a very subliminal layer in the character. It's not really at the forefront. At the forefront, the character is very laid back, and for most people, when they see the film, and that was our conversation also, it would seem that he doesn't seem to be very motivated, for sure, in a large part of the film. But there is an internal angst, an internal belief, an internal need to prove that is there in him throughout. And to me, that is the most important layer of that character, because I don't want to see a story about a guy who doesn't want to do anything. I want to see a story about a guy who really wants to do something but for some reason isn't doing anything. That story interests me, and that's the way I saw this character. Yeah.
Ma'am, sorry. There's one last question because we are pressed for time. This coming from this gentleman here.
Why don't you get a mic, man? Why don't you give me a mic?
Thank you so much, yaar. Thank you. Okay, Shahid and Mrinal and team, सबसे पहले तो congratulations.
आपका नाम क्या है?
सर मेरा नाम फैजान है.
Hi Faizan, how are you? Nice to meet you, Faizan. Lovely, yeah.
कोई नहीं. Okay, Shahid and Mrinal, सबसे पहले तो congratulations ट्रेलर के लिए and team. बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर है, मेहनत दिखकर आ रही है आप लोगों के सामने, नजर आ रही है इसमें. अगर इस किरदार की अगर मैं बात करूं आपसे, तो कितनी इमोशनल जर्नी थी आपकी इस फिल्म के अंदर? आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल है.
थैंक यू. विद्या की ये जो जर्नी है, बहुत टफ चॉइसेस लिए है उसने फिल्म में, और मेरे लिए भी विद्या प्ले करना कुछ मतलब आसान नहीं था. इनफैक्ट बहुत लोग नहीं जानते, लेकिन तीसरे चौथे दिन अमन को मैं कह रही थी कि अमन मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है. लेकिन उन्होंने मोटिवेट किया. ही मेड श्योर. एक ऐसा दिन था जहाँ पे इनफैक्ट ये सीन जहाँ पे मुझे उनको थप्पड़ भी मारना था, मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगा कि मैं उस सीन, क्योंकि शूटिंग के चौथे या पांचवें दिन वो सीन शूट हो रहा था, और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा कि मैं शायद उस सीन के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं हूँ. और बहुत ही कम, इनफैक्ट नहीं, मैंने कभी देखे नहीं ऐसे प्रोड्यूसर्स जिन्होंने वो शूटिंग कैंसिल करके मुझे 2-3 दिन एक्स्ट्रा दिए और उसके बाद वो चाहते थे कि मैं कैरेक्टर का जो जर्नी है वो महसूस करूँ और देन आई शुड डिलीवर द परफॉर्मेंस. आई होप यू गाइज लाइक्ड इट. डिड यू? तो या बहुत डिफरेंट रोल है विद्या का. आपने मुझे कभी ऐसे रोल को प्ले करते हुए नहीं देखा होगा. हमेशा हंसती रहती है, खेलती रहती है, स्वीट सी लड़की होती है, हमेशा सपोर्ट करती है. बट काफ़ी सब कंप्लेंट्स आ रही थी मुझे लास्ट टाइम कि आप हमेशा सपोर्टिंग रोल में ही क्यों आते हो, आप हमेशा सपोर्ट ही क्यों करते हो. अभी लो जैसे इट इज.
शायद आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, क्या अप्रोच होती है कोई भी कैरेक्टर को पकड़ने के लिए?
सॉरी, क्या होती है?
क्या अप्रोच होती है आपकी कोई भी कैरेक्टर को पकड़ने के लिए? काफ़ी अलग अलग तरीके के किरदार आपने निभाए हुए हैं इससे पहले, चाहे वो कबीर सिंह हो, चाहे वो जब भी मैट में हो या उड़ता पंजाब में हो. इस बार आप अर्जुन का कैरेक्टर निभा रहे हैं. तो कोई भी कैरेक्टर पकड़ने से पहले क्या अप्रोच होती है, क्या प्रिपरेशन और क्या तैयारी, फॉर्मेट क्या होता है आपका किरदार?
जो भी कैरेक्टर्स का नाम आपने लिया है, मैं अब तक उनको पूरी तरह पकड़ नहीं पाया हूँ. कोशिश यही होती है कि आप कुछ हद तक उनको समझ पाओ या उनको पकड़ पाओ. बट थैंक यू वेरी मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर थिंकिंग दैट माई वर्क इज वर्थवाइल. You should always approach every film like it's your first. You should never get into a film thinking मैंने पहले ये किया है, मैं आज इतने साल काम कर चुका हूँ, मेरी इतनी फिल्में रिलीज़ हो चुकी हैं, लोगों को मुझसे ये देखना है, मैं सेट पे जाके ना ऐसे कर दूंगा तो डायरेक्टर ताली बजा देगा. ये सब बकवास है. आप वही एक्टर हो, एक फिल्म में आप बहुत बेहतरीन काम कर सकते हो, अगली फिल्म में आप बहुत बेकार काम कर सकते हो. मैं खुद एक ऑडियंस हूँ और मैं कभी कभी बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर्स को देखते देखते सोचता हूँ, व्हाट वाज दिस पर्सन थिंकिंग व्हेन ही वाज डूइंग दिस रोल. यू नो, यू हैव टू स्टे अवेक एंड यू हैव टू स्टे रेलेवेंट. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स. कई बार मैं अपने से बहुत ज़्यादा यंगर जूनियर लोगों का काम देखता हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मुझे और मेहनत करनी चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली वे टू अप्रोच इट. एवरी फिल्म इज़ अ न्यू जर्नी. Every time it's going to be something new. जो हो गया वो हो गया. Nobody cares about that. उसका पैसा उन्होंने दे दिया. Audience वापस आ रही है. You have to give them something substantial, and that's what I hope I can do with Jersey.
All right. I hope our cast and crew has answered all the possible questions that there were to be asked. And अब हमारे सारे जो photographer friends हैं, आवाज निकली. So we'll take the microphones. You can keep it. So thank you. Thank you, guys. फ्लाइट है भाई, ऐसा फ्लाइट जाने दो. किस तरफ? अरे बोलो ना एक they want a single picture. What? They want a single picture.
ठीक है, और कुछ बचा है हटाने के लिए?
Thank you. Thank you, Arun sir.